Hello guys, this is Freya. Are you seeking solutions to maximize solar ROI, reduce energy costs, and ensure power stability? TSTY can understand your challenges, and we can deliver answers that go beyond equipment. Energy storage is the key. With over 30 years in the power industry, TSTY's customized energy storage solutions are safeguarding global projects in solar, wind, industrial, and grid applications.
TSTY's highly integrated prefabricated substation is built for harsh environments. The high-voltage cabin, made of high-strength composite, can resist intense sun and sun spray. Inside, modular cabinets and precise relay protection, paired with an efficient 5,600 kVA transformer, can ensure stable power output with minimal loss. The low-voltage cabin with a 500 kVA auxiliary transformer can provide stable power for commercial and industrial use. Smart panels can enable distribution and protection with real-time data visibility. The intelligent monitoring room features multi-screen control and instant anomaly alerts, significantly boosting operational efficiency and safety. Full integration can shorten project timelines, and smart operation can reduce long-term costs. And all of this is because of TSTY's 4 major production bases and a global service network.
TSTY powering a sustainable future.